Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Absolutely pumped about this episode because yeah, Wandering Son after a month is back. So what's the best way to celebrate this? Let's go outside and ride, make some stories. Boom, check this out what we did in order to celebrate the return of that naughty son. So what we did in this episode, let's see. We crossed the pond on the other side. We ate a lot of fritte. Then the most funniest one, we went coffee hunting in a little village in France at 6 o'clock in the morning in a Sunday. Wait, maybe. Guys, 4 stops for today done. Hold on. Yeah, that's a bit better. 4 stops for today done. We stop on a nice little town called Letreport or something like that. If I'm right. Not very good with French, and actually I'm really bad. We just ordered something to eat today, and it's gonna be a surprise for us because none of us speak French, and the waitress doesn't speak any English, so, and the menu it's all in French. We'll see. But all good so far. Weather is fantastic. The roads, unbelievable roads coming around here, so I think it's gonna be lovely. Have all that bottle by yourself?
Yeah, look, on the way down.
I have some straps, I'm gonna strap it to the boat.
C'est très chaud. Alors pour madame au menu, voilà. La pièce béarnaise. Béarnaise, monsieur. Voilà. Ça c'est la canette, c'est très chaud, très chaud. Avec tout, pas touché. Bon appétit.
As long as it's meat, I'm happy. So we're lucky today. Both all the way. What you got it? I don't know what art he has, but I'm alright with this one. Frité. Très bon. Mm. Misawa. Had all the bottle. All the bottle. Now I'm gonna stop her on the bike. Yeah. I love her. I don't want to lose her. But she needs to stop drinking.
Tokyo.
Right guys, we arrive at the camping spot, if you can call it a camping spot, because in my opinion this is not a camping spot. I think it's more like, if this is not like heaven for people like, you know, me going camping and riding motorcycles and all this, I don't know. Some people don't like camping, some people, you know, like to go to 5-star hotels and all these things, and you know, but for some people and people like me, I can't ask for more, literally, and you'll know what I mean. Look at this. So basically we're camping here at the top of a hill and we have all these views for the morning, so I couldn't be more happy.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
guys, pretty much that's it for day one. I'm gonna start giving up to your hand. You need to do some dinner. I'm gonna have beer and enjoy the rest of the day. See you tomorrow on the road. See what tomorrow brings. Have a good one.
close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way,
guys. What a fantastic night it was. It's absolutely fantastic. The weather is still beautiful. Everything is alright, except what's worse when you're camping and you wake up in the morning and you forgot your coffee. Damn. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on a coffee hunt with Otti. Both in leggings. So this is coffee hunt in leggings. 7 o'clock in the morning in a French town. What could go wrong? I don't know. We'll see. In other words, Otti just exercised his French, and one of the locals just told us that the shop only opens at 9 o'clock. And only the boulangerie is open. Anyway, the plan is like this, yeah. We're gonna get a coffee. I mean, we're gonna get a pack of coffee, and because Otti drinks coffee with sugar, he said, well, I'm gonna get a cake, and I'm gonna have the cake with the coffee. So that was for him. So look, still in the queue with his innocent face. What is inside? I hope he's gonna survive. Quick update. If you wonder why is this massive queue, it's because Otti is on the till. He's at the till now, and his French is absolutely fantastic. That's why all the people are queuing. Soon you're gonna hear oh la la, oh la. Now you'll understand in a second why I send always Otti inside. If he does, it doesn't matter if he doesn't speak or he doesn't know anything about the language. But look, he came out with the baguette, yeah. He came out with croissants or something like that I have to be here. And on top of that, look, he came out with a coffee. One for him, one for me, and another pack of coffee over there. Look, isn't that beautiful? Thank you, Otti. Nice. Otti is the most luckiest person I ever know alive, so let's have a coffee now. The advantage to be in France, yes, something like this, and we got coffee. But then, if you have a coffee and a croissant, it's absolutely fantastic. But if you have a coffee and a croissant, with a view like this, yeah. Now this is bliss. Right guys, Cambridge down. We are back in UK. What a fantastic ride it was. And yeah, I didn't shoot too much coming back because I ran out of batteries. Why I ran out of batteries? Because I forgot all my cables. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. You know the drill. Like if you like the video, subscribe if you want to see more, and until next time, peace. Forgot to mention, after a few miles that I ever ridden, yeah, I got my first ticket, first ever, yeah. Louis Define caught with me and gave me a ticket.